Now, when we have x raised to x equals 13, and you have to solve for x. Alright, now before we get started, subscribe to this channel and also don't forget to like. That will help the channel to grow. Alright, thanks for doing that. So we have x raised to x equals to 30. Now let's take log on both sides. The idea is to bring this one down. So we have ln of x raised to x equals to ln of 30. My next step will be x raised to x equals to 13. Okay, now we want to apply Lambert W function, which says when we have W function of t times e raised to t, the answer is t. So I will introduce t here, c, but don't forget that e exponent ln of m, the answer is m. So e raising ln of anything, the result of that thing. So let's support this x here. That will be e ln of x times ln of x equals 30. Now the w function is such a way that what is here must be equal to what is there. Okay, so we can bring this one here since we are multiplying. This one is here, and we have e raised to ln of x equals to 13. Okay, so from here, since this one is the same as this, we can go ahead and take the w function. Right, I forget the ln of ln here, so sorry. So we have w function of ln of 13. Okay, offset. So remember the rule, this one, because that when you take the w function, the answer will be one of them, ln of x equals to w function of ln of 13. So from here, we need to solve x as we remove the ln. So what I will do is to take or raise both sides with e raised to ln of x plus e raised to that. So this side equal my x is simply e raised to w function of ln of 13. So that's the answer. Now if you want the exact value of this, you can check out from Wolfram Alpha and then plug in this. You get the exact value. Right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. Right.